Why do we close our eyes when we sneeze? Closing our eyes during a sneeze is a protective reflex, not a biological necessity. Sneezing involves multiple muscle contractions, including facial muscles that can trigger the eyelid muscles to contract as well. This protective mechanism likely evolved to shield our eyes from expelled irritants and high pressure. Contrary to popular belief, it is technically possible to keep your eyes open during a sneeze, and doing so will not cause your eyes to pop out. However, the muscular interconnection involved sneezing makes it quite challenging to achieve.